video is my favorite look. It takes 3 minutes or less if you have all of your pieces lined up. Brushes, mascara, lipsticks, foundation, all together. Super quick look, and it is so vibrant and colorful, and as you can see, the colors that I chose really pop my blue eyes. In this video, I'm going to show you two different looks that are really good for me, and I do a lighter one on the left side and a darker or more evening one on the right side. And here we go. Step 1. I'm using the Afterglow Infused Mineral Foundation in Camel. It's a great neutral and it doesn't make me too pale. First, I dip the Afterglow Kabuki brush into the powder foundation and quickly get a layer all over my face and neck before I start buffing it in. I make sure to get a layer under my eyes and on my eyelids as a shadow base. Step 2. I use the Afterglow blush brush and get a generous amount of first blush under my left cheekbone and follow the bone up to the temple in a slight swoop. Step 3. I use the same blush and brush on my eyelid. You'll see that I pinch the bristles together to get a more precise application next to the lash line and then blend with my fingers. Then, I repeat steps 2 and 3 on my right side with Dusty Rose, which has more pigment and less shimmer than the first blush. My preference is to wear blush lower on my cheekbones, thus creating more of a contour look. You can choose to apply it higher on the cheekbone to create more of a classic blush look. I also like to wear my eyeshadow higher on the outer corners, which helps with a hooded eye, which I have. Then I blend slightly with the foundation brush. The palette I just showed you is in fact a MAC palette that I filled with Afterglow's Infused Eco eyeshadow refills. Step 4, I am choosing Horizon for my brows, and with just a little color on the angled liner brush, I quickly follow my natural brow line, which has been over-tweezed into a thinnish classic style, and then gently blend any fallout underneath with my finger and over top with the foundation brush. Step 5. Curl eyelashes slightly, because us white girls usually has eyelashes that grow straight out. Looking out the outer corner of your eye helps to get those pesky lashes on the very outside into the lash curler. By the way, the Afterglow Pro Lash Curler is my fave and quite reasonably priced. Step 6. Using the Afterglow Infused Pure Soul Mascara in Onyx, I apply under and on top of the lashes, as well as a little swipe back and forth. Be messy if you want, nobody will see you that close. Ow! Got it in my eye because I was going too fast. Step 7. On the more dramatic side, I am applying Vapor's Siren Lipstick in Dare and correcting any messiness on the outer line with my finger. On the less dramatic side, I am applying a creamy neutral pink called Desire, also by Vapor. Step 8. On the dramatic side of things, I am scrounging out the last bit of Vapor's Illusionist Concealer in 030 with a plastic spatula and applying underneath my eye from the inner corner outward and pressing gently with my ring finger to blend, not smearing. On the less dramatic side, I apply a bit more foundation just under the eye for light concealing. And we're done. The whole purpose of this look is to get your makeup on fast so that you can get out into the world and live your life instead of spending a lot of time in the mirror. I know that that's not my favorite thing to do. I love putting makeup on people, but I want to just get it done when it comes to myself. So you're going to see a lot of tips and tricks that are going to help you do things in a way that's faster, more efficient, and really gets you living life, which is what I am trying to do right now. My life has been taken over by medical appointments, chemo infusions. As you can tell, I am losing my hair. So the next time you see me, I may be completely bald. We're going to embrace this. We're going to work with it and do the best that we can. And I want you to have fun with this look. Experiment with colors. Find out what you really love. Use those. You can use this every day. You can have a mini kit of it in your purse that you can do at any time. It's really simple and everybody can do it. So I want you to try this out. By the way, everything I used is in the comment section below.
He loves the taste of organic makeup. Ooh, how did... Oh.
Using the same brush, tongue twister, narrow down your blush, or your brush.
Tashi, you get him. Get him.
Tashi, neighbor.
Tashi caught someone at the door.
Who's a good guard dog?
Tashi is.